Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to solve the workbook chapter number 9, how many times. So before we'll starting the exercise, here there are some basics. So let's begin with the basic. Again, here 2 balls plus 2 balls plus 2 balls is equal to 6 balls. Means 3 times 2 balls is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 balls is equal to 6 balls. So we can say that multiplication is a short form of repetitive addition. When the addition of the same number is done repeatedly, then this condition is called the repetitive addition. And multiplication is a repetitive addition, and the sign of the multiplication is the cross. So look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are adding 4 5 times, right? So 5 times 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Okay. Also 4 times 5 is equal to 20 as well. So any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number, right? If you are multiplying any number by 1, then you will get the same number as an answer, right? Any number multiplied by 0 gives the multiplication 0. कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you will get the 0 answer. And if you interchange the places of the number in the multiplication, still the answer remains same. So these are some basics. Now next, question number 1, do as per example. Here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 3s are 12. As I told you, tables are very important for here. टेबल आएंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन के आंसर बहुत जल्दी आएंगे, ठीक है. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 2 5s are 2 times 5 is 10. So 2 5s are 10. Same way here, these are 7 teddy bears and 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 2 times 7 is 14. So 2 sevens are 14. Now here, lotus. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lotus. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 3 8s are 24. Now look at the next page. Write in the multiplication as per example. Number 1, here we are adding the 6 5 times. So 5 times 6, 5 6 are. 3 times 4, 3 4s are. 6 times 9, 6 9s are. 4 times 7, so 4 7s are. You have to write down the multiplication form only, not the answer. 4 times 1, 4 1s are. Okay, 3 times 0, 3 zeros are, right? So this is the way. Rest of the example which we have not done, that you have to do it by yourself. Next is, look at the third number question, fill in the blanks. Here the repetitive 2, right? But 2 is repeated 4 times over there. So 4 2s are. 5 5 5, 3 5s are. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 7s are. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 4s are. Okay. So this is the way you will complete all the exercise. Next, again it's a matching. Match the following here. 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 5s are 1 2 3. 3 6 are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 7s are 1 2 3 4. So 4 4s are 1 2 3 4 5, right? So 5 9s are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 8, so 9 8s are. So this is the way. यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे थे? सिर्फ काउंट कर रहे थे, right? कि भाई 1 2 3 4, तो 5 कितनी बार है? 4 टाइम्स. So that's why 5 4 5s are. This is the way. Now you have to write down the opposite things, right? Write in the repetitive addition form. So here 6 2s are. You have to repeat the 2 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Then next 2 5s are, right? तो 5 को 2 टाइम्स हमें रिपीट करना है. 5 plus 5 like this. Then 5 1s are, right? So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 1s are. This is the way we will write down the repetitive addition form. Now look at the next page. We had already discussed about the table of 1 2 3, right? So I'm not going to explain those things again. Next, number 6, fill in the missing space with the number on the basis of the table. Table के हिसाब से आपको आंसर लिखने हैं. 2 7s are 40, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20, 2 9s are 80. Okay, same way for the table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, right? So this is the way. Now fill in the blank space in a circle on the basis of the table, right? So 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. पूरा 3 का टेबल आपको कंप्लीट करना है at last. Okay. Now next, matching based on the table. 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, and 3 8s are 24. Write the answer on the basis of the table. अभी टेबल के बेस पे आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं. Here, these are 3 cycles. So how many tires do 3 bicycles have? So यहाँ पे एक bicycle के 2 tires है. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. We can say 3 2s are 6, like this. Okay. So how many ears do 5 rabbits have? One rabbit have 2 ears. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 5s are 10, or we can say 5 2s are 10. Okay. Next, we have to write down as per the example. So we will go through this only. Here these are some jars. If one jar has 2 fishes, then how many fishes do 4 jars have? So here in one jar we are having 2 fishes and there are total 4 jars. 1 2 4s are 8. And how many legs do 6 children have? 1 children have 2 legs. Then 6 children have 2 6 are 12 legs. Now color the picture of butterfly on the basis of the table as per the instructions. Okay. आपको यहाँ पे टेबल के हिसाब से first of all you will write down the answer and then color it as per the instruction. Color the blue in the part of the wing with answer from 5 to 10. जहाँ पे आंसर 5 to 10 के बीच में है वो सारे ब्लू कलर के करने हैं. Color green in the part of the wing. Answer from 11 to 20. जो 11 से लेके 20 तक के आंसर है वो ग्रीन कलर में करेंगे हम. And color the yellow in the part of the wing with the answer from 21 to 25 and color red in the part of the wing with the answer from 26 to 30. Right? तो यहाँ पे हम instruction के according यहाँ wing में color करेंगे and the colorful butterfly has been done. See, as I told you, I had explained all the tables in the textbook, so I am not going to explain it one more time. Now look at here. Write the correct number. You have to remember the table and write down the correct answer. 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are and 6 4s are. As we had learned this property before, if we interchange the places of the multiplication, still the answer remains same. 4 7s are and 7 4s are. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are and 2 5s are. 5 nines are 45, 5 eights and 8 fives are 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are and 1 fours are, okay, and 4 fours are and 4 fours are. So this is the way. Now next question number 12, fill in the blanks on the basis of tables. 4 nines are 36, 4 fives are 20, 4 threes are 12, 1 sevens are 7, 5 sevens are 35, 2 eights are 16, 4 fives are 5 fours are 20 and 2 nines are 18. This is the way you will remember the table and write down the answer. Again, table based matching. See, one has been done, right? Now we are going to solve this. Those who are present in the live classes, right? I had solved in that period, right? So 5 threes are 15. So match 15. 3 twos are 6. 4 nines are 36. 2 eights are 16 and 1 fives are 5. So this is the way. Now question number 14. Write the answer to the question on the basis of the table. How many legs do 4 cows have? So 4 cow have and each cow have 4 legs, so 4 fours are 16. How many horns? So do 3 buffaloes have? Each buffalo have 2 horns on their head, right? So 2 multiplied by 3. Number of buffalo, you have to multiply the number of horns of one buffalo to the number of buffalo. 2 threes are 6. How many ears do 5 goats have? Okay, so each goat have 2 ears, so 2 fives are 10. How many tails do 4 cats have? So there is only one tail to one cat, so 4 cats having only 4 tails. 1 fours are 4. How many hands do 2 people have? Okay, each person have 2 hands. So 2 people have 2 twos are 4 hands. And how many trunks do 5 elephants have? Okay, so one elephant has only one trunk. So we can say 5 ones are 5. Now look at the next page, page number 157, where you will find out the tables from 6 to 10. And all you have to learn it. That's it. Okay. Now write the correct number in the box. These is the question based on the table. So for that you need to remember the table. Then and then you can write down this kind of answers. Otherwise you will be lost. पता नहीं क्या आंसर है. ठीक है. Now 6 fours are 24, 9 threes and 3 nines are. See, if we interchange the number in the multiplication, the answer remains same. 7 eights are 56, 8 eights are 64, 7 nines are 63, 10 fives are 50 and 5 tens are, 9 fives are and 5 nines are, 8 fives are and 5 eights are, right? So this is the way. Now look at the next page. Question number 16. Fill in the blank on the basis of the table. Again, here you have to remember the table and write down the answer. Number 1, 6 8s are 48, 9 9s are 81, 10 7s are 70, 8 9s are 72, 7 5s are 35, 10 3s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 7 7s are 49. Okay, so this is the way we will write down the answer over here. Again, there is a matching based on the table. So, 10 ones are 10, 8 3s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 9 4s are 36 and 8 5s are 40. Okay. Next, question number 18. Write the answer to the question on the basis of the table. How many tires do 8 rickshaws have? Okay, one rickshaw have 3 tires. Have you seen over any time? So here we have to find out the tires of 8 rickshaw. 3 8s are 24. How many tires do 10 buses have? Each bus has 4 tires. So 4 10s are 40. How many trunks do 6 elephants have? One elephant has only one trunk. So we will multiply the 1 by number of elephants. So 1 6 are 6. How many horns do 9 cows have? Okay, so each cow has only 2 horns on their head. So we can say that 2 multiplied by 9. We will multiply the number of horn of one cow to the number of cow. So 2 nines are 18. How many legs do 7 people have? Each person has 2 legs. So we can say that 2 multiplied by 7. So total 14 legs. How many hands do 10 children have? Each child have 2 hands. So 10 twos are 20. Now write the correct number in the box on the basis of table. Table के बेस पे आपको correct answer लिखने हैं. 5 twos are 10, 2 fives are 10 and 10 ones are 10. 5 fours are 20, 4 fives are 20, 10 twos are 20 and 2 tens are 20. Okay, 4 threes are 12, 2 six are 12, 3 fours are 12. This is the way we will write down the answer. Now look at the next page, where we will find out the question number 20, which is solve the problem, right? So now you are in 3rd standard. While you are in 3rd standard, you have to write down the problem solve like this. आपको statement के साथ ही लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, if you are not writing like this, then I will cut your marks. Make sure. There are 10 pencils in one box, number 1. Then how many total pencils are there in 5 such boxes? So here number of pencil in one box is equal to 10 and number of boxes is equal to 5. So number of pencils in 5 boxes is equal to question mark. So 10 fives are 50 pencil. There are 9 benches in one classroom. Then how many total benches are there in 7 such classrooms? So number of benches in one classroom is equal to 9 and number of classroom is equal to 7. So number of benches in 7 classroom is equal to 9 multiplied by 7. 9 sevens are 63 benches. Number 3. There are 4 books in one stack. And how many total books are there in 8 such stacks, right? एक खाना है उसमें 4 बुक है, तो ऐसे 8 खाने में कितनी बुक्स होंगी? So first of all, we'll write down the information like number of books in one stacks is equal to 4 and number of stacks is equal to 8. So number of books in 8 stacks is equal to 8 multiplied by 4. एक में 4 है तो 8 में कितनी? So you will multiply that way. Number 4, if 1 apple cost rupees 5, then what will be the cost of 6 apples? The cost of 1 apple is rupees 5, then cost of 6 apples is equal to question mark. So 5 6 are 30. Rupees 30. Look at the next. If the 2 chikus are given to one child, then how many chikus are needed to distribute among the 9 children? Okay, number of chiku given to one child is equal to 2. Then number of children are 9. So number of chikus needed to distribute is equal to question mark. So 9 twos are 18. 18 chikus are needed to give the 9 children. Number 6, if the 5 person can sit in one motor car, then how many person can sit in 7 such motor cars, right? So number of person in one car is equal to 5 and number of cars are 7. So number of person in 7 cars are 7 5s are 35. Okay, 35 persons are there in a car. Now look at the next page where you will find out the number 7. If one kite costs rupees 10, then what will be the cost of 8 kite? Cost of one kite is rupees 10, then cost of 8 kites is equal to question mark. So here we are doing the cross multiplication. 8 tens are 40. देखो same चीज we have to do it over here. देखो ये दोनों का multiplication किया, यहाँ पे ये दोनों का multiplication किया. जो भी information में numbers होते हैं उन दोनों का multiplication कर देना है आपको, ठीक है? So this is the way. Now, if one eraser cost rupees 3, what will be the cost of 7 such eraser? So, cost of one eraser is rupees 3, then number of eraser is equal to 7. The cost of 7 erasers is equal to 7 3s are 21. ओके यहाँ पे हम बेसिकली क्या कर रहे हैं, जो भी एक की वैल्यू है उसको नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स के साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, देन वी विल गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट। इफ वन बास्केट, देखो अगेन वन बास्केट आया यहाँ पे, वन इरेजर, वन काइट, सी, वन चाइल्ड, one motor car, one apple, okay, one stack, वन बॉक्स, एक एक की वैल्यू आपको दी है और नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स आपको दी है, दोनों को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट। नेक्स्ट, if one basket contains 4 watermelons, then 6 baskets contain how many watermelon? Number of watermelons in one basket is equal to 4. Number of baskets is equal to 6. So number of watermelons in 6 baskets is equal to 6 fours are 24 watermelons. So this is the way. Number 10. If one box has 10 matchsticks, then how many matchsticks are there in 9 such boxes? So number of match boxes in one box is equal to 10. Then number of boxes is equal to question mark. So number of match boxes in 9 boxes is equal to 10 nines are 90. Okay. Now look at the 11 number. If 8 bikes can be parked in one row of parking, then how many bikes can be parked in 6 such row? देखो यहाँ पे ऐसी एक रो है, लाइन है जिसमें 8, रो मतलब आडी लाइन, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस, दिस आर कॉल्ड रोज। एक रो में 8 है, तो ऐसे 6 रोज में टोटल कितने बाइक्स होंगे? ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ बाइक्स कैन बी पार्क्ड इन वन रो इज इक्वल टू 8 and number of rows is equal to 6. So number of bikes can be parked in 6 rows is equal to 8 6 are 48 bikes. Now number 12, if 9 beads are used to make one string, then how many beads are needed to make 5 such string? एक स्ट्रिंग में 9 बीड्स लगते हैं, तो 5 स्ट्रिंग्स में कितने लगेंगे? 9 5 are 45 bits. Okay, this is it for this session. Next time we will solve workbook